I'm gonna add a new trade. Yeah, but the worm god is pretty okay though. Or use it for trade-ups, you know. The chroma cases have the best knives. Let's see. I wanna have how many keys do you think is good for the op? It's on 18 euros, so I would say 9 at the most, but people won't use it. I'd say 8.
I say minimal wear, right?
Yeah.
Do 9, dude.
Yeah, but I mean, nobody's probably not gonna do it.
You need to wait. You need. Do you want to like do it fast straight or make profit? You need to make a sacrifice. Your money or the time.
Okay.
Are you opening cases already, dude? Can I open one with you?
I don't have any cases to open.
Can I open?
I would open cases if I had more money to add. Or if I had keys to use. The only keys I have is the ones that Ddpat gave me, but I don't really like using the keys and stuff.
Okay, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I have 3 cases.
Ow.
Okay, dude, you ready?
I do have one.
I want to open them with you at the same time. Wow. For luck. He even loves it. Okay, you ready? No. I give it all to you. You have a shadow case? Wait, no. Do you have falchion? Oh, fuck. You have a revolver?
I'm opening my one and only. I'm opening my only revolver case, and I got a Scar 20 outbreak.
Okay, I'm gonna do falchion. Let's go, baby! Oh, fucking hell, dude. Fuck. I got stat check UMP45 riot. The luck. Okay, revolver.
What? Did you get a butterfly?
I'm looking, dude. He got it!
He got it?
Forest,
What did he get?
Forest.
That was the. What?
Oh.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Holy
dude?
shit, man.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Dude. Please be proud of the market is like the market is like without the words like yeah. And the thing is, Marcus, you want an butterfly.
I mean, I'll take it, no problem. I love any knife. Dude, if you get another knife.
Dude, you got my heart pumping now. You got my heart pumping. Yeah. The
Holy
first time I
shit,
got the
man.
red line, I was
What
shaking.
the fuck? What the fuck, man? You're so lucky. I've never.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yeah, it happens.
I got an AVP Asimov from a trade-off. I put up two Phoenix case things.
Holy shit, man! I can't believe. How could you get a knife so fast when you started the game? What?
Gold Nova 1 has knife. How much it cost?
Yeah. It's worth I think it was around 70-80 euros. Maybe 60. There are no other colors for the knives than reds. I have never found anything good except my Vulcan basically, and after that I got nothing. I've just got blues.
The best thing I got is the red line, AK red line. Oh no, I got a trade up. From a case to red line, and from the trade up, AVP Asimov. I had I don't know, less than 20%.
I can't hear what the cat is saying.
I got an AVP Asimov from
Yeah.
a trade up contract when it was less than 20%.
Nice.
I put like 3 antiques, and the rest was from to get the chatterbox or Man of War.
Oh.
So I was like happy. One AVP is good for me. Like, boom, an awesome off. 20 euro profit.
That's nice.
I think that was my case, dude. I gave you 3 black breakout cases. Fucking man.
What the? Oh, it's ugly as hell. How did you ask? Like, what the fuck?
Those are freaking rare, dude. Those are fucking minimal wear. I sorted by qualities. No, it's for quality. It's from like red to blue.
So like, if something is like more rare, then it's gonna be higher up. So, and since the knife is more rare than your AK, it's gonna automatically be higher up.
No, like no, dude. The thing
Because
is,
first of all, it's knives, and then there is
no. Yeah. My chatterbox and neon rider is higher than my knife.
I think it also might be of collection. I think sourced by collection.
Maybe the